Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need power now, so plug the BT3400 one into a 5V USB source and observe the LED charge indicator. When the light pulses, charging is active. Once the speaker has minimal charge, press and hold the power button to switch it on. You will hear a tone. Make sure the speaker shows Bluetooth pairing, usually a flashing blue LED, so your phone can find it. Place the speaker on the center of your iPad. Alignment is the key to start wireless charging immediately. Once paired, you control audio from your phone, so play a track and set the speaker volume to about 60% before increasing to protect the driver. If you want hands-free calls, press the multi-function button to answer. The mic uses echo suppression to keep voices clear. Make sure the phone or device rests squarely on the charging coil. Offset placement causes slow charging or no charge. If you switch tracks, tap the buttons gently. Repeated rapid presses can skip functions. To finish, stop playback and press power to shut down. This preserves battery life. Clean the contact areas with a dry cloth to remove dust that blocks coupling, and always remove metal cases or cards that interfere. If wireless charging doesn't start, first realign the phone to the speaker's center, then restart both the speaker and the charging pad. This simple reset clears handshake errors. Finally, test with a different charger to isolate whether the speaker or pad is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.